glass and steel. The vision's moving, turning into real. Lines on a page, a map in our hands. Building a future where the courage stands. Brick by brick, we're leveling the floor. Opening the latch on every closed door. The pulse is rising, the rhythm is set. The greatest chapters hasn't been written yet. One heartbeat, one shared goal. The fire's burning in the collective soul. This is the